Hey guys, I wanted to shoot a quick video to kind of explain the process of building out the um, tracking pixel on Facebook, and also the difference between the tracking pixel and the custom audience pixel. We kind of mentioned that on the September 9, 2015 Tools, Tech, and Tips call, so I want to show you exactly what you need to do in order to add that to your landing page software if you wanted to build a specific audience that had landed on that page, or if you wanted to track your ad effectiveness through the conversion pixel. So what you would do for both is you would go into Facebook and go into manage ads. You just go into the ads manager. They're very similar pixels, but they do serve two specific and separate purposes. So there is a difference between the two, and so if you go into the tools area, we'll go for the audience one first. So if you click on audiences, this is where you would create a custom audience pixel. So you can, let's say that you had a website that you were sending traffic to that was going to, or a landing page that you were sending traffic to that was going to offer them a free list of homes in a specific neighborhood or something like that, and you wanted to create an audience of everyone that landed on that page. What you would do is, going into tools and audience, we're going to create an audience. We'll do a custom audience, and what we're going to do is do the website traffic. You can do, if you've got a list already and don't know about it, there's when you go into create a custom audience, if you have a customer list already, which you do, you can use phone numbers or emails or Facebook user IDs, and you can upload that list. So if you have an Excel document of phone numbers or emails, you can upload that list and you can have a Facebook custom audience, which is pretty cool. So anyways, we'll go to website traffic and we'll say anyone who visited the site, and you can do up to 180 days, I believe. Yeah, 180 days, and you can include past website traffic. So and then I would just name it. So we'll just say lead pages test, but we'll create the audience. So that'll create a pixel. What we'll do is we'll take that pixel, we'll add that to our page that we want to be able to track. So right now it's saying we can do get help right here. Hang on one second. We just need to find where the pixel's at and where the code's at. So let's see. They don't make it easy sometimes. Okay, here we go. View pixel code. So it's kind of a weird way to get to it, but what I did, I just clicked on this pixel ID, it opened a new page, and then I say under actions, view pixel code. So that's what you want. You want to grab that pixel, and then you're going to put that inside of your, so go into your landing page software. I'm using lead pages right now for this example, and so let's say I wanted to add it to this page specifically. What I'm doing, I'm going up here to lead page options, and I'm clicking on tracking codes, and I'm putting it into the head tag. So I'm just dropping that code in here, clicking done, clicking save. That will put that in there. So that will now track all of the website traffic that goes on this, lands on this page, will be tracked and added to a Facebook custom audience. So we're not done. If we want to track for kind of our ad effectiveness, what you can do is you can track conversion pixel. You can create a conversion pixel, and that will track the effectiveness of your ad, and you can kind of see that in your analytics through Facebook and things like that. So to do that, what you would do is you would click on, same deal, you're in your Facebook ads manager, you're going to click on tools, and you're going to go to conversion tracking. So the difference between the two is one is only going to be collecting an audience, so you can use that for future ads to that custom audience of a highly targeted list. Conversion tracking is more for you to be able to identify how effective these ads are, and you can optimize your ads. And so what we'll do is we'll do create a pixel right up at the top, and you kind of can determine what you want. So you can do registrations, um, or leads, or add to cart, or checkout, whatever. So it's going to determine where you're going to put this pixel. And so let's say we want leads, so we want to, or let's say we want checkout. So what we would do, you can pretend like if you have a landing page that's asking someone to opt in, your checkout will be someone that's giving you their information. So they've opted in, so they've checked out. So you would create this, and you name it whatever the landing page is, so you can kind of identify that. Create a pixel. You get the code, similar to the audience, the custom audience. So we'll get that code, and we'll grab that, and then it's different than the audience one, where we're not necessarily going to just track everyone that lands on the first page. For this, we're tracking the conversions, so we're actually only going to put the head tag on whatever your thank you page is going to be, or your next page, so that someone would see after they've opted in or completed your offer, or whatever you're asking them to do. So that will go on the thank you page or the next page. So in that way, you can look back in Facebook and see it's truly calculating the conversion. So someone has landed on your page, and then they have clicked the opt-in button, and they've done whatever you asked. So then the next page that they see, usually a thank you page or something like that, that's where you're going to put the conversion pixel. And you're going to put that the same way that we did the audience one. We're going to put that into the head tags of the HTML of the page. And a lot of times these landing page softwares are easy to do that, and they'll have instructions specifically for their own software and stuff. But then you just make sure you save your page and all that, and then run a test for yourself to go through that. So that way you can see right here that it's saying registration Kenny Oaks 1. That's the one I just created. It says no activity yet, and so it's not active. So run the test, go through your funnel yourself, opt into your page. That will activate it. It will show some traffic to the page, and then it'll become active, and you'll be able to start seeing how many people are going to that page every day, or how often, things like that. So hope that's helpful. I'll drop some additional resources from Facebook ads information about the conversion pixel and the custom audience pixel. But I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks, guys.